Hi, let's get your new bike reassembled and ready to ride. In the box you have received a copy of our brief assembly guide as well as the Bicycle Owner's Manual. Please read these before reassembling or riding your new bike. This video is only a supplement to the printed materials. Here is an overview of the commonly required tools for reassembly. These tools are for sale on our website. Okay, we got a mountain bike here with a flat handlebar, and I want to show you how to install that bar and get that all set up properly. First we do finish the unpacking here. Get this turned around here, make sure your cables and things are in alignment. And then we'll take these 4 bolts out here. Pull this up, hold this in place. Get these 4 bolts started. The stems are marked with the torque settings, Newton meters of torque. This one's got the marking right up top here. It says max 6 Newton meters. We will use a torque wrench to finish that up. Now's a good time to also get your handlebars rotated properly where you want them. Usually you can see some markings in here that will give you some type of center. So you got that and rotation. So get that to where you think you might want it. You can always come back and make adjustments later. That's pretty much where we're going to want it here, kind of in the middle. And then here's our torque wrench. This we have set to 6 Newton meters, and your torque wrench may look slightly different than this. Just go around and tighten these evenly. And you should be set.